Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Sansya Brainry. One of the deadliest killer in human history, the smallpox, devastated the mankind for centuries. We can say that it could have been a deadly weapon of bioterrorism. But thanks to Dr. Edward Jenner, the person who actually killed the smallpox virus, or we can say that the person who developed the world's first vaccine. So in today's lecture हम बात करेंगे कि how the world's first vaccine was developed by Dr. Edward Jenner. There is an interesting story behind the development of world's first vaccine. So let's start the discussion. You can see that the term vaccine and the vaccination, both the term vaccine and vaccination, they were coined by Dr. Edward Jenner. Actually, the word vaccine, it is derived from the Latin word vacca, which means cow, because the origin of the development of world's first vaccine against the smallpox virus actually that hails from the cowpox, and vacca is the Latin word and which means cow. Okay, so from that we can say that the Edward Jenner, he coined the terms vaccine and vaccination. Okay, so in 1798 में, in the long title of his inquiry into the variole vaccinae, which is known as the cowpox, he described that cowpox can be used as a natural agent against the smallpox virus. Okay, तो अगर हम एडवर्ड जेनर की बात करें तो ही वाज एन इंग्लिश सर्जन who discovered the vaccination, or we can say that who discovered a vaccination for the smallpox virus. Okay, and it was the world's first vaccine which was developed by the Edward Jenner against the smallpox virus. जो smallpox virus की बात करें तो it is very infectious disease and it is caused by two variants, variola major and variola minor. Okay, two virus variants, variola major and variola minor. ठीक है, so its infection, actually we can say that its infection cause fever, vomiting or development of rashes, or we can say that when it affects in the large scale, only we can say that about 30% of the people, they actually died. We can say that in the 30% of the people, they are died. So this was such a deadly disease in the human history, or we can say that this was one of the greatest killer in the history of mankind, and which took the lives of millions. So if we talk about Edward Jenner, he was born in Berkeley during 1749, and during that time actually there were two types of surgeon. एक तो वो थे कि जो who acquired the medical knowledge through the apprenticeships, means through the local trainings, local जो सर्जन थे उनके पास काम करके उन्होंने अपना जो मेडिकल नॉलेज गेन किया, एंड दूसरे थे जो एकेडमिक, जो हम कह सकते हैं एकेडमिकली ट्रेंड जो डॉक्टर थे. ठीक है, तो दो टाइप के सर्जन होते थे उस टाइम में. और जो एडवर्ड जेनर थे, ही वाज, हम कह सकते हैं ही वाज फर्स्ट टाइप का था. ठीक है, फर्स्ट टाइम मीन्स ही टुक द ट्रेनिंग अंडर द मीन्स गेन द मेडिकल नॉलेज एंड थ्रू द अप्रेंटिसशिप. ओके, so at the age of 14 he was apprenticed by a local surgeon where he gained lot of knowledge regarding the medical stream, or we can say that to knowledge which is required to become a surgeon. Okay, so on completing his apprenticeship, means अपनी ट्रेनिंग पूरी करने के बाद, means at the age of 14 he started training with a local surgeon, and after completing his training at the age of 21 ये जो है कि लंदन चले गए. ठीक है, एंड लंदन में ही बिकेम द पीपल ऑफ डॉक्टर जॉन हंटर. ठीक है, वहां जाके ये उनके शिष्य बन गए डॉक्टर जॉन हंटर के. ठीक है, और 1770 से 1773 तक, ठीक है, ही उन्होंने लंदन में ही स्टडी किया एडवर्ड जेनर ने, एंड देन ही रिटर्न बैक टू हिज होम टाउन बर्कले में, एंड थ्रू द हिज मेडिकल कैरियर he stayed there in his native hometown. Okay, so he was known for his one of the famous experiment actually, which led to the development of world's first vaccine. तो अगर हम बात करें तो at that time smallpox जो था, it was a very deadly disease and it was contagious, and it actually devastated the mankind, and this smallpox during that time it was quite widespread during the means across the whole Europe at that time, and it we can say that during that time it was one of the major reason for the death of the people, or we can say that it took the lives of millions. And Edward Jenner actually, Dr. Edward Jenner, he observed that people who are suffered with the cowpox infection. So we can say that he observed that this cowpox infection actually it can protect the humans against the smallpox virus. Okay, and to prove this, डॉक्टर एडवर्ड जनर ने क्या किया कि उन्होंने अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट स्टार्ट किया, फेमस एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन द 8 ईयर ओल्ड बॉय जिसका नाम था फिप्स, ठीक है, इन मई 1796 को, ठीक है। मतलब उन्होंने ऑब्जर्व किया कि जो काउपॉक्स जो है दैट एक्चुअली प्रोटेक्ट द ह्यूमंस फ्रॉम द स्मॉल पॉक्स। तो उन्होंने अपना जो एक्सपेरिमेंट जो स्टार्ट कर दिया, और फर्स्टली उन्होंने इनोकुलेट किया किसको, एक 8 साल का एक लड़का था फिप्स नाम का, ठीक है, ऑन मई 1796। तो वी कैन से दैट ही स्टार्टेड हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट विद दिस, एंड we can say that Edward Jenner, he inoculated the boy with the cowpox pustule from a blister on the hand of an English milkmaid. ओके, एक्चुअली जो इंग्लिश मिल्क मेड थी, जो कऊ वगैरह के साथ काम, जो जिनके पास कऊ थी बहुत सारी, तो कऊ पॉक्स से इन्फेक्टेड थी ऑलरेडी। तो एडवर्ड जेनर ने क्या किया कि उसके हैंड से उसका पेस्ट्यूल लिया और उस बॉय को इनोकुलेट कर दिया, ठीक है। During the first time, actually, boy developed the mild symptoms of cowpox, but they were not severe. Okay. Then we can say that on 1st of July 1796 को मई में उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट स्टार्ट किया था, और जुलाई में फिर से उन्होंने क्या किया कि जेनर को ही अगेन इनोकुलेटेड दिस बॉय, एंड दिस टाइम he wanted to see about the smallpox, and the boy did not develop the smallpox symptom. Okay. So it was quite interesting for the Edward Jenner. So after that means जेनर ने बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट किए, बहुत सारे और बच्चों को भी उससे अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट में इंक्लूड किया और उनको इनोकुलेट किया, इंक्लूडिंग हिज ओन सन जो कि अभी 11 मंथ का ही था, ठीक है। सो सब्सिक्वेंटली वी कैन से दैट जेनर ही प्रूव्ड दैट दिस काउपॉक्स जो है दैट प्रोटेक्ट्स द ह्यूमन फ्रॉम द स्मॉल पॉक्स। ओके, and he proved that this boy which he inoculated first time, the fifth, he was immune to smallpox now. Okay, so in 1798 में जनर ने जो अपना रिजल्ट है, he published a book entitled An Inquiry into the Causes and Effects of the Variolae Vaccinae. Okay, and from that time Jenner coined that word vaccine from the Latin word vacca for the cow. Okay, so although it was not like that, Jenner got the means recognition as soon as possible, means immediately he got the recognition. It was not like that. He also faced the criticism, और बहुत सारे लोगों ने उसको क्रिटिसाइज किया, even he was ridiculed. But later on क्या हुआ कि जब कुछ और लोगों ने भी उसके रिसर्च को फॉलो किया और एक्सपेरिमेंट किए, तो his method of vaccination actually it gained the popularity. Okay, and we can say that till 19th century जो cowpox था that actually served as a natural vaccine against the smallpox virus. Okay, अभी तो after that तो later on new vaccines were developed with the modern methodologies, and for this work actually Jenner received the worldwide recognition, and about we can say that 150 years after Jenner's death in 1823 smallpox was eradicated. Okay, from that part. Okay, so अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो India was also one of the major country which was we can say that heavily impacted by the smallpox virus, and it took the lives of many people in India also. Okay, so India की बात करें तो इंडिया में जो वर्ल्ड का फर्स्ट वैक्सीन था एक्चुअली that came to India in 1802. Okay, 1802 में वर्ल्ड का जो फर्स्ट वैक्सीन डेवलप किया गया था अगेंस्ट स्मॉलपॉक्स वायरस that came to India in 1802, and that we can say that at that time it was a major devastating disease in India, and people were living with this for the centuries. Okay, so we can say that on 14th of July 1802 actually India में the first person to be vaccinated was a 3-year-old girl whose name was Anna Dasthal. Okay, so on 14th of July 1802 3-year-old Anna Dasthal who was born to the female help of a British officer in the Bombay. She became the first child in India to successfully receive the world's first vaccine. So this Anna Esthal, we can say that the patient Anna Esthal, she was actually a mixed race girl in then Bombay, and from her pustules only, actually from her arm, other children were also vaccinated. So we can see that all the vaccination in India for about 20 years, they were from the stock which was derived from this girl, okay, Anna Dasthal, okay. So she was the first person to be vaccinated in India, Anna Dasthal, okay, with the world's first vaccine. And we can see that this Dasthal, we can regard her, she was remarkably a good-tempered girl, and the success of vaccination, it should be success of vaccination in India, it should be, we can say that it should be partly credited to her quietness and patience in suffering the, we can say, pain which she suffered during the whole operation, okay. So in 1967 में क्या हुआ कि 1967 में again there were some cases of smallpox were reported in India, about 83,000 cases, and which account during that time they account for about 65% of the total cases in the world, okay. And among 83,000, about 26,000 people died, and it was really frightened actually. And during 1974 also, again the smallpox, it claimed the lives of about 31,000 people in India. So that's why for the complete eradication of this smallpox virus in India, in we can say that in January 1975, a campaign was started which was named as Target Zero, okay, with the help of World Health Organization and other health workers. A campaign Target Zero was started in India to completely eradicate this smallpox virus, okay, with the identification of the last smallpox patient in India during 24th of May 1975, okay. And by 1980, we can see that smallpox was certified as being eradicated from the world. So we can say that through the determined vaccination campaign backed by the WHO, involving the mass mobilization of the health workers and the citizens, cooperation of the people, and other containment measures which were taken by the health workers, actually they secured the complete eradication, they secured the world with the complete eradication of this smallpox virus. So with this, we can say that nowadays also we are suffering with another pandemic, that is COVID-19, coronavirus, okay. And people from the, we can say that leaders from about 140 countries, they have called for a people's patent-free vaccine. Means they are saying that it has been, we can say that the idea is that this vaccination program regarding the coronavirus, it should be also freely available to everyone without any discrimination. And we can say that this idea, it actually stemmed from the idea of Edward Jenner, okay. We can say that they were his founding principles, that he also wanted to vaccinate everyone throughout the world free of cost, because we can say that this is for the sake of humanity, to save the humanity. So with this, I hope you might have liked the lecture, and you might have known something interesting. आपको कुछ अच्छा जानने को मिला होगा, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग, तो प्लीज शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, और then now I will say thank you and stay happy, stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you.